We are taking it over to Jared Levy for the final trade of the day. Jared, what are your all-American stock picks?
I've got a couple stocks that I like because I think that America has got a couple verticals or a couple areas where, we kind of need to grow. Not just we need to grow, but there's also a growing thing called, and I'm going to center it all kind of around, well, two things. AI is one of them, which includes, quantum computing, which includes energy, which includes utilities. I'll explain that in a second. And then the other would be our infrastructure. So how do we play the first one? Well, something simple like the XLB, which is that's a materials. It's a very inexpensive ETF to own. It's not terribly volatile. I can own the XLB and the XLU, which is the utilities sector ETF. Now, what is this? Why do I buy these? Why am I interested in these? Well, we do own these in our portfolios. And the reason why is we believe that, American infrastructure needs help, right? Our roads, our bridges, the power lines, all the things that keep our system working. But more importantly, the rise of AI and electric vehicles and quantum, that needs energy too. It literally is pulling, literal energy from areas, having to move it to another, and it's changing the face of our society in a lot of ways. And I just think that is an area where you can definitely go and do well.
You also mentioned buying utilities. People sometimes put money into utility stocks as a safe haven when the market gets rocky.
Utilities used to be like a defensive play. I don't think it's defensive anymore. It is a low-key, kind of cool way to play AI, right? Again, power generation, power needs. We are going to be using far more electrical power and utility power than ever before. A lot of folks are like, oh, EVs solve that. Well, you got to charge those puppies and you have to make electricity to charge them. And then, and if you know how much computers use when they're quantifying and creating artificial intelligence, it's pretty astounding. So those are my areas, real quick and dirty, but I think that is a place you can go and you still have tremendous upside from here, even though markets are a little bit dicey.
Thanks for helping us out today, Jared.
Thank you.